So, math friends, today we're here and we're going to talk a little bit about domain and range of a function. I was out trying to think on the internet, looking for ways that I could talk to you or interesting situations that we could address domain and range of a function. When I came across major newsflash, major. I don't know if you guys have heard this, but I just read about it today, that there is some new stuff going on with Instagram. And that their new thing is that they are going to starting March 31st, they're going to charge 5 cents per picture post. That's what I just read today. I know, it's shocking, but I read it on the internet, so it has to be true. And if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense because, most of these companies are about money in the end. And what a great way to make money. We all love Instagram. We're thinking it's super cool and fun. So why not charge for it, right? Now that we're used to using it. So when I think about this situation of Instagram, I think about the fact that there are two things going on. There's money and the number of pictures I post. Those are my two things that I'm talking about. And so when I think about going ahead and putting this information into a table, I think we have our pictures and we have our money. And the number of pictures I post are going to determine, they're going to be independent, and they're going to determine the amount of money I spend. So when I think about it in terms of the domain and the range of the function that I have here, I have the pictures, which are my domain, that are going to determine the range of money that I might have to pay. So domain would be my number of pictures, range would be the money I would have to pay. So pretty interesting stuff. Shocking, if I must say, that today I read, you heard it here first, starting March 31st, they're going to start charging 5 cents per picture post. The pictures will be your domain, and how much you have to spend is going to be the range of values. If we take this vocabulary and apply it then to just a simple function table, we can think about the fact that our x values are always going to be our domain of our function, and our y values are always going to be our range. And we can also think back to some other vocab here about the fact that if it's the domain, that means it's independent. It's our independent variable. And if it's our range, it means it's our dependent variable.
Ooh. Is the range always on the right?
You are right on with that. The range is always on the right, and what a great way to keep it straight. So good vocabulary, good stuff. Go earn those points back, friend.